Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Transporter T32 Highline. It is a 2024 registered vehicle and comes with the Indium grey finished paintwork. It offers the diesel engine and the automatic transmission with the long wheelbase. Taking a look at your exterior features, on the front you'll find the LED headlights providing brilliant visibility and automated activation. It also comes with some fantastic styling as well with the silver alloy wheels. And around to the rear you'll find the reversing camera aiding when manoeuvring, as well as parking sensors. It comes with a rear tailgate, allowing for easy opening. You've also got the sliding side door as well, ambient lighting above and the lashing rings on the floor for load restraint. Into the driver's door card you'll find the electric windows and electrically adjustable door mirrors with the heated and folding features. Inside the van itself you've got some fantastic styling here with the lovely comfortable cloth upholstery in the front, with the driver's side offering the armrests. On the steering wheel you'll find your cruise control and speed limiter functions, as well as the volume for your media system, and to the right you'll find the next and back buttons and controls for the digital screen within the cockpit. Flicking through here you can view your assist systems, audio, telephone connectivity. You've also got the vehicle status and driving data. Onto the main media system, under radio you'll find AM, FM and DAB offering stations from across the country. You've also got the SD card reader, USB connectivity and even Bluetooth audio for wireless streaming. That Bluetooth does also double for hands-free calling when on the go as well, so you can make and take calls safely and legally. If you connect via USB you also have smartphone integration to use apps through the screen. Taking a look at that reversing camera gives you a nice clear view behind, as well as parking guidelines, and the front and rear sensors will provide an audible noise too. Making our way down from here you've got the climate controls, which are nice and easy to adjust, as well as the heated front seats here to keep nice and toasty. You've got the heated windscreen there as well on the right, and just in front of that you have the automatic transmission. And to the left you'll find a cup holder, 12 volt and 2 USB-C connections. For more information, visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.